What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Let's Build an Online Business series. In this video, we're going to be using our free software to build our landing page and to start our email marketing. We're going to send out our very first email. So for purposes of the series, as an example, we're going to be using TikTok as a free traffic source, and we're going to be promoting Legendary Marketer as our affiliate product to promote, and I'm going to explain to you why we're choosing Legendary Marketer to promote. So just as a recap, in the previous videos in the series, the first video we spoke about how to find the perfect niche for you, and then we also touched on how to go about picking a traffic source depending on your objectives and depending on what you're trying to achieve with affiliate marketing. But for this example, we've chosen TikTok as a traffic source because we want to do everything free. We want to use a free software to build our landing pages. We want to use a free software to do our email marketing. And finally, we want to have a free traffic source. So we're doing everything free, and ultimately we want to get to that point of paid traffic where we can scale. Now, I mentioned just now why we want to choose Legendary Marketer as a product to promote. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of building our landing page, we need to speak about how to go about picking your product to promote. And as I mentioned before, in this example, we're going to be promoting Legendary Marketer, the 15-day challenge. Now, the 15-day challenge is just a product. It doesn't have to be the 15-day challenge. It can be any product that has similar principles. And I'm going to explain to you what are those principles that we're looking for when we're picking a product to promote. So you want to be picking high ticket affiliate products because you only need a few sales to become profitable. You only need a few sales to make a lot of money. So that's why we're going to be picking high ticket affiliate products. So Legendary Marketer, the 15-day challenge, is a high ticket affiliate product. So I'm going to show you how the Legendary Marketer funnel works, and these are the principles you need to be looking out for when picking your products. Again, it doesn't have to be Legendary Marketer, but these are the products that you want to be promoting, at least in the beginning. So the reason I use Legendary Marketer is due to the fact that their funnel is very good on the low end, meaning it's quite cheap to get started. But on the low end, users get upsold on the high ticket affiliate products. And we can see here, it starts off at $7, but as we go deeper into the funnel, we can actually start to see that there are products being upsold all along the 15-day challenge, which are beneficial to the customer. They will find those products valuable. Some of them buy and some of them don't, but that's essentially how you want to do this. So what I like about Legendary Marketer is that it has a dedicated sales team. Once you bring the referral in and they pay that $7, so you get about $2.8 commission for each person that comes into Legendary Marketer. Once you do that, your job is done. Anything that they buy within the Legendary Marketer system or ecosystem you get a commission of that. So this is very powerful because you essentially do the work once, you get them in, and then the Legendary Marketer team, their sales team, are the ones that are doing the calls, that are basically nurturing this customer so that they're more inclined to buy other products and you get commissions. And that's where the high ticket structure comes in, because it's low ticket on the front end. So I mean, it's low risk, $7, it's the price of a coffee. You'll just pay the $7. But then when the value that you get in, you're so overwhelmed and you're so surprised by the value that you're more inclined to purchase the other products. And again, you are getting real value, and you're learning real skills here that you can ultimately use in the future. Another powerful method that you can use with Legendary Marketer is the ClickFunnels subscription and the Aweber subscription. So what's powerful about this is that, for example, when these people come in, they will need to have a funnel builder to do this online business. They need to have a funnel builder. They need to have email marketing. So you can put your affiliate link of Aweber and you can put your affiliate link of ClickFunnels in the Legendary Marketer system. So as they're going along, as they're learning and they start these free trials of these softwares, you also get those commissions. That's powerful. So as you can see here in the screen, I'm just going to show you my ClickFunnels account. I've made just over $1,000 so far. I started promoting ClickFunnels about 2 months ago, and I've just made over $1,000 promoting ClickFunnels. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm saying it's so powerful, because they do the work for you, but at the same time, you have all these other methods where you get subscription-based products, which is ClickFunnels and Aweber, and these products pay you monthly recurring income. So monthly recurring income when you're first starting is so important, because you can make mistakes and you know that money is going to come in the next month. But the problem is when you make mistakes and there's no money coming in, the business dies. So you want to also be focusing on subscription-based products. So with this method, you're killing 3 birds with one stone. You're getting the high ticket sales on Legendary Marketer, you're getting the subscription commissions on ClickFunnels, and you're getting the subscription commissions on Aweber. So that's the reason why I'm saying you really need to consider promoting Legendary Marketer or products of that type. Now guys, in the description I have left a link to my Legendary Marketer affiliate link, as well as my ClickFunnels and my Aweber affiliate link if you want to get started with this. Alright guys, so the only catch with these softwares is that you do need to have a subscription with them to be able to be an affiliate with them. So for example, ClickFunnels, I actually use ClickFunnels in all of my funnels. So I actually promote ClickFunnels as well. I did take the 15-day challenge, and as a result, I was eligible to be an affiliate for the 15-day challenge. I think with Aweber, you can be an affiliate without actually getting the trial. So it's up to you. It's up to you what you do. Now regarding the traffic source, TikTok, the reason we've chosen TikTok, you get a lot of organic reach even without many followers. So TikTok is powerful in that sense, and reach means views. Views are all people, and all of those people are potential customers. So I'm not gonna go into too much detail in this video regarding TikTok. So if you want to check out this video, I actually show you how I went from 0 to 50,000 followers on TikTok in about 2 months. And I'm sure you can do it in a shorter space of time. So that's a free tutorial on how to grow your TikTok account and to use it for purposes of this online business. Alright guys, so before we actually go about building a landing page, we do need to get a domain. And the reason we need to get a domain is that it looks more professional. It doesn't look scammy. If something looks scammy, it will turn people off, and people won't want to click on those links, and they won't want to be associated with that site because it's all scammy. So we need to get a domain. So where we're going to get these domains, we're going to go to namecheap.com, and that's where we're going to go to get a domain. So I'm going to show you quickly in the screen. So we're currently in Namecheap in the dashboard, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to the search bar over here, and then you're going to search for whatever you want your domain to be. So in this example, I've searched for online business build. So we're looking for onlinebusinessbuild.com or .co or whatever the case may be, whatever is the most appropriate for our website. So if we scroll down here, we're seeing some of the top search results: .business, .net, .org, .ai. I wouldn't really buy that one. Some other good ones: .io, .co, .biz. I think this would be relevant, and it's pretty cheap as well. So you can have a look and see which is the more appropriate domain for your business, and then select one from there. And then all you need to do is just buy it, and then we're going to integrate it into system.io. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to go to our profile and go to settings, and then we're going to go to domains. So we need to add our domain to system.io so that it doesn't our web pages don't show up as the default domain, which is business.system.io. We want it to be our domain. So we're going to go to domains, and then we're going to click add domain. And then when we're over here, what we're going to do is we're going to add the actual domain. So in this case, it's www.𝗵𝗟𝗡𝗖𝗋.com. Then you're going to click save. Okay, so when you're here, depending on where you got your domain, whether you got it from Namecheap or any other platform, you need to go to the domain settings and add the CNAME and add this information as it's instructed here. So depending on which platform you're using, whether it's Namecheap or GoDaddy, whichever platform that you're using, you just need to enter this, and then your domain will be linked to system.io. Alright guys, so that's how we go about getting a domain. And if you want to use Namecheap, I have again left a link down below in the description for Namecheap so you can get started. Alright, so the next step, what we've been waiting for, we're going to build a landing page. So we're going to click edit because we want to edit this landing page, and this is the landing page that they're going to get. Okay, so usually with landing pages, there's always a big headline, and then there's always a sub headline, and depending on how you want your landing page to go, right? So when you're creating your landing page, these are the kind of things you want to be putting in your landing page. Here you get the big headline, and then there's all this ad copy that you see over here. All of this copy is doing the selling for you, getting people interested so that they'd want to click in here. And then this is where you capture the email, and again, this is the final pre-sale page before they look at some testimonials, before they carry on. And then click here to start, and we finally have the affiliate product. So if you didn't notice, the colors that I had in the previous funnel are similar to what is on this page. It's black, it's yellow, and it's white. Those are the dominant colors, and you want to keep your landing pages as consistent as possible to the offer, because you want that congruency. You don't want to have differences in the pages when people are scrolling getting to the affiliate offer, because they might start feeling it's a bit scammy. So in this case, we can even just copy this as is, just so we can see the elements that are going into this. So then over here we just need to update this headline. So again, these are asking questions that you already have the answer to, because you know that they have asked themselves these questions, and this page is basically doing all the selling for you. Okay, just copy the rest of it.
5 minutes later.
So as you can see now, I've actually updated this page to look a bit similar to the original. I've copied the whole text, and you can see over here, this is the text, this is all the ad copy, and yeah, that's essentially updating the landing page. Perhaps we can delete this, we don't need this. We can leave a first and last name. I think it's actually better to just have a first name, because if you put last name, people are a bit more reluctant to give out that information. Alright, then I just need to fix this to make it more in line. And yeah, that's essentially the landing page done. I think for our purposes we don't need this, unless you may be putting some disclaimers depending on the affiliate offer that you're offering. Delete that. That's quite a lot. Let's delete more of this, all of it. And yeah, we can just see, here we go, terms and privacy, leave that down there. And that's essentially the landing page. Obviously this still needs to be fixed up a little bit more, but that's essentially how it goes. Alright, so there we have it. We have chosen our affiliate products, we've chosen our traffic source, we've bought a domain, and now we have built our landing page. Now we're almost ready to go. The last thing that we need to do is we need to set up our email. So let's go back into the screen yet again. So the process for adding emails is relatively straightforward. You just need to go to this page and go to emails and go to campaigns. And we click on campaigns. And let me just delete this so I can show you how it goes. Alright, so you're gonna get to a page and it's gonna be empty like this. Then you're gonna click create. Then we're gonna call this business builder. Save. So basically what this is a list for a particular traffic source. So in this case, we have traffic coming in from our TikTok account, and you want to put them into this list. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in there, and we're going to add an email. So this is going to be our first email campaign. Okay, so let's just call this email 1, and I just like using the classic editor. Test. Send that email address. It's going to be business.j.money.com. Then we're going to click create. Okay, so again we'll say here hi, and what all of these are essentially, if you had a landing page, right, and in the email submission box, you had a first name and a last name, basically whatever the email contact puts as their first and last name is what's going to show up in these emails for them. So for each person that signed up, and let's say someone named themselves Max, so then whenever they receive an email from you, it's going to say hi Max or hi whoever. So that's why we left that first name in. Okay, and then let's just say here are your freebies, etc, etc. Then you write that mail in, and then that is it. You can send a test mail. You see, so this mail got sent to my email, and then you can save and publish. So when we get to here, usually if it's a freebie, I'll say 0, but I mean if it's the 10th email in an email marketing sequence, then you'll probably say 10, depending on when that email is in the email marketing campaign. So in this case, I'll just say 0 because it's the first mail that they receive upon sign up. There's nothing here, and then leave all of that, so then you just say publish. And that's email marketing. That's essentially what you do to connect the emails. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button for the algorithm. This channel is less than 1,000 subscribers, so I want to get to at least 10,000 by the end of the year and see how it goes. All right guys, so there you have it. We've actually built the foundations of our online business. This is actually the hardest part of the online business. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about email marketing in a bit more detail. And I'm also going to be talking a bit more about the content creation process, just to help you out with creating your content in TikTok, but also just generally, which softwares I use for creating content, which softwares I use like even for updating my profile pictures or my banners, all of that stuff. And I'm going to show you in the next video. So guys, that brings us to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just remember that you're never going to get anywhere unless you start taking the action today. So I hope you guys are going to be taking the action today on these methods that you've learned. Till next time, stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.